Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best mineral salts is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in optimizing your daily hydration and overall well-being, transforming ordinary water into a powerhouse of essential electrolytes that your body craves for peak performance and recovery. In today's fast-paced world, staying adequately hydrated with the right balance of minerals isn't just a luxury, it's a fundamental necessity for everything from cognitive function and energy levels to muscle repair and immune support, making the choice of mineral salts a critical decision for anyone serious about their health. Number 5. Trace Minerals ConcenTrace Mineral Drops. Discover the power of complete nutrition with our all-natural liquid minerals. These drops are designed to replenish your body's essential electrolytes. Experience improved hydration and a natural energy boost throughout your day. Support your body's vital functions with this essential supplement. Feel better overall as it aids in supporting a balanced mood and optimal muscle function. Keep your body performing at its best. Promote better digestion and enjoy more restful sleep. This comprehensive formula helps your body achieve balance for overall well-being. Sourced from nature, our product provides a full spectrum of trace minerals in their most natural form. It's a simple way to enhance your daily wellness routine. With 96 servings per bottle, it's an easy and effective way to ensure you're getting the minerals you need. Just a few drops can make a significant difference. What we like. This product offers a concentrated liquid form of essential minerals. It's all natural and supports a wide range of bodily functions. If you're looking for a simple way to supplement your daily mineral intake and support overall wellness, this is a great choice. What people say. This product is a great way to add essential minerals back into your drinking water, especially if you use a reverse osmosis system. It significantly improves the taste of the water, making it more palatable and refreshing. The packaging is convenient and easy to use, allowing for precise measurement of the minerals. Number 4. Baja Gold Signature Mineral Sea Salt. Introducing Baja Gold Signature Mineral Sea Salt, the authentic fine grind salt recommended by Gary Brecka. Elevate your culinary creations with this natural sea salt. Experience the pure, fine grind of this exceptional sea salt. It's perfect for all your cooking and baking needs, ensuring consistent results every time. Sourced from Baja, this natural salt adds a unique depth of flavor to your dishes. It's the ideal choice for a wide range of culinary applications. Add the perfect finishing touch to your meals with this mineral-rich sea salt. Its delicate flavor enhances the taste of any dish, making it truly special. Enjoy over 300 servings from this convenient 1-pound, resealable bag. It's a long-lasting and economical choice for your kitchen pantry. What we like. This is an authentic fine grind sea salt, perfect for cooking and baking. It's recommended for its natural flavor and suitability for finishing dishes. If you're a home chef who values high-quality, natural ingredients for enhancing your meals, this salt will be your new go-to. What people say. The product is a great way to add essential minerals back into your drinking water, especially if you use a reverse osmosis system. It significantly improves the taste of the water, making it much more palatable and refreshing. The packaging is convenient and easy to use, allowing for precise measurement of the minerals. Number 3. Electrolyte Salt Pills with Vitamins. Feeling drained? Our electrolyte tablets are designed to help you replenish essential minerals lost through sweat. They contain a powerful blend to support your body's needs. Each tablet is packed with vital electrolytes like magnesium, sodium, and potassium, along with chloride. These are crucial for maintaining proper hydration and muscle function. We've also included vitamins D3 and B6 to further enhance your well-being. These vitamins play important roles in overall health and energy levels. Formulated with natural kelp powder, these are more than just salt pills. They offer a clean and effective way to support your active lifestyle. Perfect for your health journey, they are both vegan and keto-friendly. Enjoy the benefits without compromising your dietary choices. Lab tested for purity and potency, you can be confident in the quality of what you're putting into your body. Get 120 tablets per bottle. What we like. These are convenient electrolyte tablets in capsule form, packed with essential minerals and vitamins. They are vegan and keto-friendly, making them versatile for various diets. If you need a portable and easy-to-take electrolyte supplement, especially if you follow a ketogenic or vegan lifestyle, these are ideal. What people say. This product is great for adding minerals back into distilled or RO water, making it taste much better and improving hydration. The salts dissolve quickly and easily, with no gritty residue left behind. It's a convenient way to remineralize water for drinking. I appreciate that this product provides essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which are crucial for bodily functions. Number 2. Sports Research Hydrate Electrolytes Powder Packets. Feeling drained after a workout or a long day? It's time to replenish your body with essential electrolytes. Our formula is designed to help you recover and feel your best. Stay hydrated without the sugar. This delicious powder is naturally flavored and packed with vitamins and minerals. Enjoy a refreshing drink that supports your body's needs. We believe in the power of natural ingredients. That's why our hydration mix includes coconut water, vitamins, and minerals. It's a clean way to support your active lifestyle. Proper hydration is key to performance and well-being. This product is specifically formulated to help your body maintain optimal fluid balance. Feel the difference it makes. With 16 packets in a variety of flavors, staying hydrated on the go has never been easier. Grab a packet and mix it with water for instant refreshment and replenishment. Boost your intake of essential vitamins and minerals with every serving. These vital nutrients work together with electrolytes to support your overall health and energy levels. What we like. This option provides sugar-free electrolyte powder with natural flavors and added vitamins and minerals. It comes in a convenient variety pack for different tastes. If you're seeking a sugar-free way to stay hydrated, enjoy different flavors, and support your active lifestyle, this variety pack is perfect for you. What people say. This product is a game-changer for rehydration. It effectively replenishes electrolytes lost through sweat, making it ideal for athletes or anyone needing to stay hydrated. The taste is surprisingly pleasant and not artificial at all. It mixes easily into water, creating a refreshing drink that doesn't leave a gritty residue. I've noticed a significant improvement in my energy levels since using these mineral salts. They help combat fatigue and support overall well-being. Number 1. Jacked Factory HYDRASURGE Electrolyte Powder. Introducing HYDRASURGE, the ultimate electrolyte powder designed to replenish your body's essential minerals. Stay hydrated and energized throughout your day. Packed with vital minerals and natural ingredients like Himalayan sea salt and coconut water, it's the perfect way to support your active lifestyle. Enjoy optimal hydration without the sugar. This formula is keto-friendly and completely sugar-free, making it a guilt-free choice for your wellness goals. Sweetened naturally, it offers a delicious taste without artificial additives. You can feel good about what you're putting into your body. Experience the refreshing taste of orange mango with every serving. It's a delightful way to ensure you're meeting your hydration needs. With 60 servings per container, you'll have a consistent supply to support your hydration and energy levels for weeks to come. What we like. This is a keto-friendly, sugar-free electrolyte powder featuring key minerals and coconut water. It's naturally sweetened and comes in appealing flavors. If you're on a keto diet, prefer sugar-free options, and enjoy the benefits of coconut water for hydration, this supplement is an excellent choice. What people say. The product is a great way to add essential minerals back into your drinking water, especially if you use a reverse osmosis system. It's significantly improved the taste of my water, making it much more palatable and refreshing. The packaging is convenient and easy to use, allowing for precise measurement of the minerals. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.